Hey guys, how's it going? Been a while since I've done one of these. December 16th. Hope all's well with you guys. I wanted to make a video because we are experiencing a little bit of market volatility. Not everywhere in the market, but in certain sectors of the market. And I want to talk about the volatility, why it's here, and where it is and where it is not affecting investments of various types. Effectively, what we're worried about right now is inflation and rising interest rates. They kind of go hand in hand. You raise interest rates to combat inflation. We're seeing inflation prints of like 4 to 6%, which is big. These inflation numbers are bigger than anything we've seen since the early 1980s. And in the early 1980s, interest rates got up like really high. But that's not that our economy won't support that, and so it's incredibly unlikely we would ever see that. That's not what I wanted to talk about anyway. What I wanted to talk about is the fact that it's hitting the tech sector harder than anything, which is interesting because you wouldn't think to link inflation or rising interest rates to tech. The reason is tech companies tend to be high growth companies, and so they tend to be valued based on what they're going to do 5 years from now. This is really good in low inflation environments or in low interest rate environments because the value of a dollar 5 years from today is more or less the same as the value of a dollar today. If we start hitting pretty big inflation numbers, the value of a dollar in 5 years is eroded compared to the value of a dollar today. And so people start investing in companies that make more money today. These are the less spicy stocks, like I don't know, your banks or your cyclical stuff has been okay, although it's been kind of volatile too. There's a lot of stuff that is working in this environment. One more thing I wanted to talk about is it's been very interesting because Bitcoin has always been seen, or I shouldn't just say Bitcoin, I should say the crypto complex, all of the cryptocurrencies out there have been seen as a hedge against inflation. It's been one of the kind of we want to own crypto because government is printing money, which is going to inflate away the value of money, and so you own crypto because crypto operates independently from all of that. We have not seen crypto behaving like that. We have not seen crypto behaving as a currency hedge. We have seen crypto, Bitcoin is down 25-30% in the last month or so, along with everything else. It's not to say that it's worse than everything else. It's not to say that it's worse than a tech stock. It's down the same way that your average tech stock is down. That's about all I wanted to say. 3.5 minutes. That's pretty good. Volatility doesn't last forever. This is not going to last forever, but it's here now. So there you are.